Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and predicting the market for crude oil. And here's expected or as told we have seen in bearish momentum, and we have given in signal to go short if we see a breakthrough this support trend line which we have drawn. There's a trader who have taken short some around $42.39 within a range of 6 to 8 hours. The take profit would have hit, which was of this support trend line. Thus this trade would have given an risk to reward of approx 1:1. Now removing my drawings and now analyzing the market, reanalyzing the market. Let me draw the support zone. This was the support zone. Let me make that an end zone so we do not cut up any fake breakouts. Till this point this was in support zone. However, since the market breakthrough, we have seen that this support zone has turned into a resistance as the market have retested it. Now what we are expecting is an higher high move in the prices for the crude oil. And the fundamental behind that is that we have seen that the supply of the crude oil has been damaged due to the storms, which means lower supply. However, the demand remains same. According to the law of demand, this suggests that when the demand remains constant, however the supply reduced, the prices are increased in order to meet the demand. Thus, we can expect an higher high move in the prices for the crude oil. Now, analyzing it, what a trader should do is that I would be waiting for the crude oil to either break through this support zone and this resistance zone. If we see that the market for the crude oil break through this both zones and the market tested this range, which is of some around $42 or $43, that would give a signal that the bullish trend for the crude oil can continue. Thus, this would be a great opportunity, and being an aggressive trader, we could take a direct long position. However, me would be waiting for the market to retest this towards this support zone, and that would be a great opportunity according to me to go long on the crude oil. With our stop losses would be just placed below this recent lows, which are some around here. We can see that the market has taken support, and here thus my stop loss would be just placed below this, which is some around $42.33, with a take profit of recent highs, which just placed below the recent highs, which is $43.36. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1. However, now coming towards the bearish scenario, if we do not see that the market break through this both zones, the support and this resistance zone, rather we see that the market reclose below this particular resistance zone. This would suggest that the bullish momentum which we have seen in the market has been end, and we can see a continuation of bearish momentum in the market. Thus, we would be triggering a short position, either being aggressive directly, or I would be waiting for the market to retest this zone, and that would be a great opportunity to go short some around $42.66, with a stop loss just placed above both zones, which is some around $42.98, with our take profit just placed some around $41.99. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:2. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.